This $76,000 hybrid SUV hits 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. That's faster than a Mustang, faster than most Porsches, faster than cars that cost twice as much. And here's the part nobody sees coming. The 2026 BMW X5 xDrive50e does all of that while giving you 45 miles of pure electric range for your daily commute. No gas, no emissions, just silence and instant torque. Most hybrids feel like compromises, slow, heavy, boring. This one feels like BMW strapped a rocket to a Prius and told it to fight. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. The legendary B58 engine. Then BMW added an electric motor. 483 horsepower combined, 517 foot-pounds of torque. That power gets split between all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic that shifts like it's angry. But here's where it gets interesting. You can drive this thing in pure electric mode. Complete silence, zero tailpipe emissions. The battery is 25.7 kilowatt-hours usable. BMW claims 38 miles of electric range. Real-world testing? 45 miles. On a mix of highway and city driving. That means your entire daily commute could be electric. No gas station stops, no engine noise, just smooth, instant acceleration. Then the weekend hits. You merge onto the highway, pin the throttle, the engine wakes up with a growl, and this 5,573-pound family SUV launches like you just got shoved from behind. 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. Most people don't expect that from a hybrid. Most people expect boring. The steering is sharp, direct. It feels like a sports sedan, not a 2.5-ton SUV. The suspension soaks up rough roads but stays flat through corners. And the brakes? Strong, confident, even with all that hybrid weight. Inside, you get BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. Curved display, 12.3-inch instrument cluster, 14.9-inch central screen. Apple CarPlay shows up in the head-up display now. Navigation, music, messages, all floating in your field of view. The charging situation is solid too. 11 kilowatt onboard charger, that's up from 7.4 kilowatts on older models. Full charge in about 2.5 hours on a 240-volt outlet. Cargo space takes a small hit for the battery. 60.7 cubic feet with the seats folded. That's about 5 cubic feet less than the non-hybrid models. But you still get more space than most luxury SUVs. Now here's the part that breaks my brain. All of this, the performance, the electric range, the tech, the luxury feel, $76,000. That's the starting price. $75,200 base plus $1,175 destination. You can option it higher, premium package, M Sport package, driving assistance. But even loaded, you're looking at around $85,000. Compare that to a Tesla Model X. Base price? Over $90,000. And it's slower. Compare it to a Mercedes GLE 450e, over $80,000, and it doesn't drive like this. The X5 xDrive50e sits in this weird sweet spot. Fast enough to embarrass sports cars, efficient enough to run on electricity for weeks if you only do short trips. And it costs less than the alternatives. So yeah, $76,000 for a hybrid that thinks it's a sports car, that's the game changer. Next time we're looking at something even more unexpected. An electric SUV that somehow costs less than most sedans and has features that'll make you do a double take. You won't want to miss this one. Drop a comment if you'd actually buy the X5 hybrid over the competition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.